Are you ready to unlock the secret to getting that special lady in your life to wear those fabulous high heels? Well, you're lucky because I'm about to spill out all the secrets today. So, here's the deal, high heels can be a game changer when it comes to adding a touch of glam to any outfit. But, let's be real, convincing a woman to wear them can sometimes feel like cracking a secret code. But not anymore, because with my Grandpa 3 tips any man can make any woman start wearing high heels in no time. First, let me share a heartwarming story. I witnessed my grandpa sitting holding a worn photograph in his hand for more than 5 minutes. I was intrigued, so I approached quietly to see what had captured his attention. To my surprise, it was a picture of my grandma. He tenderly kissed the image of her foot and a gentle smile spread across his face. Out of curiosity, I couldn't help but barrage him with questions. How was it possible that at age 53, Grandma was still dazzled in her red stiletto heels? My grandpa shared an unexpected revelation with a smile, recounting how my grandma didn't wear high heels in the early stages of their marriage. He then shared a script with me on how to make any woman embrace wearing high heels for their partner. He said, first and foremost, it's crucial to approach the topic of wearing heels with patience and understanding, recognizing that women often have emotional connections to their footwear choices. If you envision your wife or woman embracing heels as part of her attire, proceeding with care and sensitivity is essential. One effective strategy is to gently introduce the idea by sharing images of various styles of heels, highlighting their elegance and the sense of sophistication they can lend to any outfit. Take the time to express how you envision her wearing these heels, particularly during moments when you walk together, emphasizing the grace and confidence they could bring to her stride. By approaching the conversation gradually and thoughtfully, you can demonstrate your appreciation for her style while also expressing your desire for her to feel confident and beautiful in her footwear choices. Keep in mind that these first tips are just the beginning, the next one will be mind-blowing. But before we move to the next tip, please give these videos a thumbs up if you know you are gaining value from it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. The second tip, he called it a gifting session. Once she agrees to incorporate heels into her wardrobe, it's important to consistently show your support by buying her gifts. This serves as a sign of encouragement. Women appreciate surprises, so remember to include chocolate with each gift. Research suggests that attaching chocolate to a female gift helps evoke memories of her youth. Offering gifts is a tangible expression of encouragement, reinforcing her decision and boosting her confidence. The last tip that will balance it all is to make sure you consistently shower her with compliments and endearing nicknames. Women adore it when their partners express affection unexpectedly. Whenever she slips into her heels, don't hesitate to tell her how stunning she looks in them. Remember to approach her choices with patience and understanding, avoiding unnecessary fuss. Additionally, consider watching videos together to familiarize yourself with the types of heels beginners should start with. You can watch these videos or click on the first link in the description below to see them.